Okay, last one. Look at this cute brother cleaning up his sister. Aw, Fuzz, you're so sweet. And that belly is so soft. Yeah, 'cause that little lady, she likes to be aggressive when I'm making the fish bowls. And oftentimes she pushes the can and some fish falls on her head. And I tell her, hey, you got fish on your head. But she doesn't care, she just keeps eating. And I guess this is how it gets cleaned up. Thanks, Fuzzy. Your little feet. That's so cute. I gotta go, guys. Love you. Happy Thursday.